Sister wives, is Robyn selfish or does she really care about Mary, Janelle and Christine? And is Mary overcharging worthy up customers? I will explain everything. Watch this video until end. Hi lovely viewers. Welcome to my 2S Gossip channel. Sister Wives, star Robyn Brown is portrayed as a cross between King Henry VIII's other woman, Anne Boleyn, and Cruella de Vil. But she always made a show of caring about the other wives. For years, fans haven't believed her. Her simpering niceness seems more fox than real, and she has often come off as a backstabber. She was more than willing to push Kody towards monogamy, while crying an ocean of crocodile tears. In Sister Wives, Season 18, Robyn moved closer to what always seemed to be her endgame, getting Kody all to herself. It could be argued that he no prize. Kody can be infuriating, thanks to a fragile ego, outmoded ideas about the patriarchy, and feuds with his nearest and dearest. Since Robyn is so passive-aggressive, Kody may be her ideal match. She can control him almost effortlessly, just batting her eyelashes, squeezing out the aforementioned teardrops, or making a seemingly innocuous, but subtly mocking, remark about another wife is all that it takes. Robyn knows that she can't post online without getting attacked. Everyone understands this. However, now is the time to add an Instagram post honoring Garrison and Janelle. Hiding behind Kody isn't the best way to proceed. At the moment, Kody and Robyn are being ripped apart online. Some fans strongly imply that Garrison's death is their fault. This is very cruel and Robyn should address the shade, share her remembrances of Garrison, see some of his sweetest moments in the clip above, and then turn off the comments. By doing nothing, it seems like she doesn't care about Janelle Payne, even though that might not be true. Robyn's modus operandi is covert hostility. She doesn't shoot from the hip. Robyn is all about avoiding direct confrontation to keep her hands clean. She has other ways of getting results. What she does behind the scenes always fascinates Sister Wives fans. They seem to picture Robyn in the home she shares with Kody, telling him without really telling him exactly how their life should be. Is Robyn the iron fist in the velvet glove? Yes. She does get her way. No dictator or Disney villain could be more successful, despite campier, more outright misdeeds. If Robyn cares about Janelle, she should say it. With comments disabled, she could express herself without fear. Sure, she'd get ripped apart on other forums, but some fans might respect her for being brave enough to speak out. Right now, the silence is hard to understand. With Christine Brown, there was always tension. Robyn made Christine feel so jealous. The green-eyed monster was riding inside of Christine and pushing her towards some nasty conduct. Christine in a better place now, but once upon a time, she fled the room when she found out how Kody had been favoring Robyn. Usurped by a younger wife, Christine felt used, bitter and sad. It was so hard for her to control her emotions. Whether Kody was helping Robyn to pick out a wedding dress or sneaking off to kiss Robyn while Christine was in labor, the insults were intense. Robyn never really befriended Christine. But that's not Robyn's fault. Christine wasn't interested in being friends, and didn't trust her rival. From Vegas to Flagstaff to the wilds of Coyote Pass, the sister wives' tension roiled. Robyn and Christine were at odds, so it's unlikely that Robyn cares about her now. As per People, Christine's new husband, David Woolley, called Kody a dumbass. So there is no ball chance in hell that Kody, Robyn, Christine and David will hang out. There won't be friendly barbecues or dinner parties or anything like that. When it comes to Christine and Robyn, the earth is fully scorched. So, what about Mary Brown? There's something about Mary. She milder, more respectful, perhaps more gullible. Of all of them, Robin may care the most about Mary, who actually wanted to be her friend. However, once again, Robin is radio silent as Mary embarks on a new career as an online platform owner. Mary Worthy Up venture is impressive, but Robin doesn't say a word about it. For decades, Robin played at being the loyal sister wife. She was the one who cried when things weren't working. Now, having unmasked as a monogamy fan, she is distancing herself from the women she professed to love. Quite possibly, she never loved them at all. If she does care, she should show her love. The family in pain, and sister wives Robin Brown needs to talk about the intense emotions linked with Garrison death. She should show the world that she cares about Cody exes and how their post-split lives are going. Sister Wives star Mary Brown controversial business move may ruin her reputation forever. The 53-year-old single mother was previously married to the polygamous patriarch Cody Brown. She loved him a lot and spent nearly 30 years with him. Unfortunately, Cody rarely reciprocated in the relationship. He didn't treat Mary well, which led her to break up with him in 2023. Over the months, Mary has moved on from her polygamous past. Not only has she found new confidence, but she has also dropped a lot of weight, transforming herself into a new person. Mary has been glowing since her breakup with Cody. While she started losing weight during Sister Wives season 18, her transformation happened after she moved away from her former household. Since 2023, Mary has achieved various milestones. She has tried her luck at dating and entrepreneurship. Recently, Mary launched Worthy Up, a community that celebrates individual growth. She charges $150 minus $600 for membership, giving fans access to her wisdom, insights, and community support. Unfortunately, Mary's latest business is getting negative feedback. Many Sister Wives viewers are shocked at how much money Mary is asking to be part of the community. Mary's new business may heavily impact her image because of how much she's charging for it. The Worthy Up's official website offers 3 separate memberships. The cheapest is the Insight membership, which costs $150. It's a digital-only deal for 2024 and provides access to Mary's Facebook group, a PDF workbook, a community, and the latest alerts on upcoming events. The second membership is the Inspiration membership, which costs $300. It offers additional benefits, such as live discussions, and monthly CUNA Inspiration members will also get an autographed mug, hat, journal, and other merch. Worthy Up's third and final membership is the Impact membership. It costs $600 a year and offers benefits, such as 20% discounts, and a bonus gift from Mary. Viewers are rightfully shocked by Worthy Up's membership prices, because neither of the deals seems valuable. Mary is trying her best to cash in as quickly as possible. She is a well-known celebrity with a tragic backstory. She understands that fans support her because of her past and recent glow-up. The Sister Wives star seems to purposely ask for outrageous prices and cash in without wasting time. Mary is known for using her popularity on reality TV to promote her businesses. When the Sister Wives star debuted on the show, she worked in the mental health industry. However, the show's public nature led her employer to fire her. Afterward, Mary began handling Ligi Heritage, offering exclusive tour and retreats. She used fame to turn her great-great-grandparents' home into a marketing machine. Mary launched it in 2017 and charged $4K to $6K from her guests. She used her reality TV fame to cash in as much as possible. Mary also worked for and promoted the controversial LuLaRoe company in 2022, which received massive backlash. Many viewers knew about LuLaRoe pyramid scheme, so they didn't appreciate that Mary had become a Lulero retailer. Mary uses similar strategies to promote her latest business, Worthy Up. She utilizing her face and status to push her followers into purchasing her membership. Worthy Up is a great idea. However, the Sister Wives cast member business practices aren't considered honest, making it look like she's simply trying to gain as much money by buffing up the prices. Mary is asking for a lot of money from her fans to buy Worthy Up membership. She wants them to pay $150 for a regular digital only membership and $600 if they want to receive a gift from her. It seems like she wants to make the brand more about herself than her community. Mary is disrespecting her fans by not allowing them to engage with her. She isn't letting her loyal followers join the Facebook group for free. If Mary cared for her fans, she'd consider upgrading her membership plans. She should have charged a respectable amount of money. Other than pricing, Mary isn't taking advantage of her fans. She promoting her business as any influencer would and not forcing anyone to become a member if they don't like her offerings. Besides, Mary is already posting sneak peeks of her Worthy Up content on social media. Her Instagram is still accessible, and interested fans can easily catch up with her there. Mary doesn't charge a membership fee for her Instagram. She active online and often gives away some of her membership benefits, such as Kuna, for free. Mary has tried many businesses over the years. She has turned herself into a successful entrepreneur and created numerous making streams. Mary has nearly 1 million followers on her Instagram, proving she's socially relevant. On the one hand, it looks like Mary is financially stable and very successful. She seems happy in her pictures and very content with her life. On the other hand, the Worthy Up subscription prices suggest Mary wants to cash in quickly. It makes it seem like she wants to earn enough to continue enjoying her travel-oriented lifestyle. Mary struggled a lot in her relationship with Cody. She gave up time and various opportunities to fix her marriage. Unfortunately, things never worked out. It may be that Mary realizes he only has so many years left before her old age hinders her growth. She may want to earn as much as possible to live her dreams. At 53, Mary has a handful of years to be active and achieve her goals. While the Sister Wives star hasn't shared a list of what she wants from her life, financial freedom appears to be one of her goals. Thanks for watching this video. What do you think about this video? Told on comment box and subscribe your channel.